Alright, since you know how to add a simple product, now we can add a variable product to our store. So I'll show you how that's done. It's quite similar, but this time we will need to create variations for a product. Alright, let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to products right here and let's click add new. So since you are already familiar with all those settings right here and those options here, I'm just gonna paste all the information. I'm just gonna add the product name and I will add product description and all other information. Alright, as you can see, I just finished adding my information. This is the title for this product description. As you can see, I have product image, and obviously I'm gonna have two different versions of this costume. It's gonna be in black version and in blue. And right now I don't have a category that would represent this product, so I can click add new category right here, and I'm gonna type costumes, and I'm just gonna click add new category. And just like that, the new category was created. So now I can uncheck this category and now I can choose costumes. Alright, so let's scroll down. What else we have? And as you can see, I added two tags. So don't overstress yourself with tags. If you cannot come up with any tags, don't worry, you can leave this one empty and you're not gonna experience any issues. But let's say if I'm gonna have more products related to Batman, and let's say if there's gonna be more toys, something with Batman, I will include this tag. And let's say once my visitor clicks on this tag in a product page, he will go to a new page where he will see all the products with this particular tag. I will show you how that looks later. Alright, now the next thing that we have to do, we have to choose that it's gonna be a variable product. Right here you can type SKU, the SKU for this product, and I'm not gonna activate manage stock because we will do this on each product separately, because I want to know how many products of blue version I have for certain ages, and I want to know how many products I have of, let's say, blue version or black version for different range of ages. So basically my product, this product that I'm adding right now, is gonna have two variations, two attributes for variation. So the first attribute is gonna be style, that's gonna be black or blue, and it's gonna have age, so it's gonna be for certain ages. So let's say from 2 to 3 years, from 4 to 5 years, and anything like that. Okay, now we can go to link products because we don't need to do any changes in shipping tab, and now we can link products. So for example, if I'm gonna type wooden, as you can see, I can select this toy that I added previously. So I'm gonna do the same with cross sells, and just like that, I added a product for upsells and cross sells. And you can add more products, more than just one. I usually like to add from 2 to 4 products to each of these upsells and cross sells. And now we can go to attributes. Alright, so now I'm gonna click add, and I'm gonna type the name for this attribute. So it's gonna be style, and now I'm gonna have two styles, so it's gonna be blue and black. So I'm gonna type blue, I will separate this with this symbol, and I'm gonna type black. I will select used for variations because I'm gonna use this attribute for variations, and let's click save attributes. If I would expand this one, as you can see, this is how it looks. Alright, now I'm gonna add another attribute just like that, and it's gonna be age, and I'm gonna add values. Alright, so I just added two values. As you can see, those are my values. And of course, I'm gonna click save attribute. But before I do that, I'm gonna select this one that I'm gonna use this for variations, and I'm gonna click save attributes. Of course, I could click right here, add more attributes where I could mention the fabric, and I guess that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna give a name and I'm gonna enter the value. And once I added this attribute, I don't want to use this attribute for creating variations of this product because fabric is not used for variations. So I do not need to check this one, used for variations. Alright, so now we can click save attributes. And again, it's up to you what type of products you're adding. For example, if you are adding t-shirts and you only have sizes. So let's say you have a specific design of a t-shirt and you only have different sizes that are large, small, extra large, and so on. So in your case, you're gonna need to add just one attribute for variations. So let's say if it's gonna be size instead of style, here in values, you will list all values one by one that you have, and you're just gonna hit save attributes. And just like that, you're gonna use this attribute to create variations. if you have more attributes used for variations, let's say you're gonna have different colors, all right, pink, yellow, or any other, and just like I did, you will have to add this one right here. So in my case it's age, in your case it could be like color or anything else. And of course you can even add more attributes that you're gonna use in variations, but in a lot of cases, in most of the cases, you probably gonna use one or two attributes that you're gonna do variations with those. All right, so let's save attributes one more time. Let's make sure that those are saved, and now we're gonna create variations. All right, so let's click right here and let's select this one and let's select go. Let's click OK. Okay. And as you can see, now we have 4 variations. So we have a blue version that is for 3 to 4 ages, and we have another blue version, and so on. So now let's expand all the variations right here. And now let's set an image for this variation. So this is gonna be the image I want to use. All right, right here, I'm gonna type my regular price. And if you are managing stock, you can activate this one and type stock quantity. All right. So let's scroll down. What else we have? And of course you have low stock threshold, just like we had with a simple product. You have weight, shipping classes. Again, you can select shipping classes for each variation separately. So this one is up to you if you want to do that. Okay, let's scroll down, and this is the blue version again. Let's select the same image and let's paste the price. So the price is going to be the same, so I just copied the price. Let's select manage stock, and again I'm going to type 10. And as you can see, we have repeat all the things. So it depends how many variations you're gonna have. This is how many times you're gonna need to repeat those things, because you have to treat each variation as a separate product. Because as you can see, you can add all those things like weight, you can even choose shipping class and so on. All right, so let's add the last one. It's gonna be black, and as you remember, manage stock. But before that, the price and the stock is gonna be 10. All right, and I'm gonna do the same with this one. All right, once you have finished adding information, don't forget to hit save changes. If you don't gonna save changes, you're gonna lose all information. All right, now we can click publish, and now we can click right here to view our product. Let's see how it looks, if everything works as it's supposed to work. All right, so we have style. We can choose, let's choose blue, and let's choose age. Voila, we have different image. We can enlarge those images, we can close those images. Totally understand that it doesn't look too good, but like I said, we're gonna install a theme, we're gonna do customization options, and our product page is gonna look much better. All right, and like I told you with tags, let's say if I'm gonna click on this Batman tag, as you can see, this is the tag, and these are the products that I have under this tag. In this case, I only have this product, so obviously I'm just gonna see one product. All right, let's go back. All right, before I go back, I guess let's open this product one more time and let's make sure that everything works. All right, so right here, as you can see, we have description and additional information. We have additional information that we have style, blue, black, age, and fabric. If you don't want to display those attributes right here, like style, because we have style right here and we have age, we can do changes. So for example, I'm gonna click edit this product, and if you don't want to display those attributes, you have to go right here, and as you remember, we have style, so we want to hide this one from product page, and we want to hide age as well. And let's click save, and let's click update. All right, and now we can click view product. Let's see if those attributes are hidden now. Let's click right here, and yeah, as you can see, we don't have any other attributes. Those attributes can be seen only right here, and that's good. All right, here you can see people can leave reviews, and here you can see our previous product. If I would add this product to our shopping cart, just a second, let's click add to cart. All right, we can click view cart, and as you can see right here, we have a cross-sell. So as you remember, we added this product in a cross-sell tab, and this is where it is displayed. And this is how our shopping cart looks. It doesn't look too good, I completely understand, because we haven't done anything with the customization part of our website. So alright, this is it with this lesson. Now you know how to add variable product, and you also know what are tags and how you can check the products that are added to those tags. So this is it for this lesson.